patch in the sky. Tim and his grandma planned to spend whole day at the beach. When Tim began packing his picnic bag, he saw big dark cloud gathering in the sky. "Oh no!" Tim exclaimed. The cloud thundered and soon it began to rain heavily. "Please, Grandma," Tim pleaded, "let's not cancel our trip." "Don't worry, Tim," Grandma said. "We will definitely go if we see a bright blue patch in the sky." Tim sat by the window and waited for the blue patch that appeared. The rain stopped, but the cloud refused to part. Then Tim had an idea. He decided to enjoy on his own till the cloud parted. He ran to his room and fetched a blue handkerchief from the cupboard. He went to the trance and started waving his blue handkerchief, pretending that it was the blue sky. He clapped and laughed and called out to the bird on trees. Grandma, who was glancing at her wet plant in the garden, looked up just then and smiled. "The cloud have indeed parted," she said, and they had. It seemed that looking at little Tim efforts, the sun had smiled and peeped out from behind the clouds. This created a bright blue patch in the sky just above the handkerchiefs that Tim was waving. The moral of the story is make the most of an unpleasant situation.